Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is MDEVAAN and today I'll be doing a few kitchen hacks that work for me and make cooking just easier basically. So for the most part I try to keep my additives in food as natural as possible, and this takes time and you can't like keep doing this every single day. So something that I use, I think I use this every day: ginger and garlic in food. I always use ginger and garlic, especially frying and spicing up food and meat, etc. So this is a paste that works very well for me. All I have to do is scrape the ginger, scrape the garlic, and basically blend it and freeze it together. So I'm doing this with a knife, and that's because I'm used to it. But recently I saw someone doing this with a spoon and I tried it as well. So whatever works for you, you can scrape it with a spoon, you can scrape it with a knife, but the basic aim is to get the back off and to get that clean shiny yellowness. So yellowness is that a word? So here's the garlic, cloves of garlic. I just got a few, and I think for me doing this it just makes sense because for one it's just cheaper, and you're sure of what is in the spice. So I'm just going to declove this from the back, and that's about it. Usually if I'm putting this straight into meat, I'll just mash it, but this way I'm going to put everything together and blend it. Garlic has antioxidants, it has a lot of medicinal effects. People claim it can make you live longer, but I mean, what want to see? What want to see on the net, as well as ginger. Ginger has a lot of medicinal properties as well, and then it's very helpful for nausea, morning sickness, etc. So if you're going to put this in your food, then you know that it's good. Also reduces muscle pain and soreness. So basically we're just going to blend this all up. There's really nothing complicated about it. So by the time I do this in batches and I freeze, all I have to do is take out the spoon or two, depending on what I'm cooking, and set it up. Yep, I'm done blending our paste, and I'm just going to turn this into a food pack that I can freeze and microwave easily. So there really isn't anything to this. This is all natural, all beautiful, all tasty, and it has like a strong aroma. So you can do this separately. You can do your ginger separately, you can do your garlic separately. Why I do this together is because I always make this mix in my food. Plus if I'm making any other thing that requires just ginger, I always have ginger paste available. But this just saves time. As I said, this is just a kitchen hack for you. So you just mix all that up. Make sure you don't put too much water, especially if you're going to be using it to make things like noodles and stuff. This smells delicious. Smells really nice. So I'm just going to seal that up. If you're not going to use it for a while, I'll recommend you wrap it up in sealing paper as well, and then you freeze. The next thing we're going to be doing is the pepper paste. This pepper paste is super easy. If you cook noodles a lot or spaghetti or just pasta, food that doesn't really require over blended pepper and you don't really like slicing. Hello, lady. If you're lazy like me and you don't really like slicing pepper all the time, you can just do a rough chop of your pepper. Put a little bit of water, no tomatoes. Put a rough chop of your pepper, and then you're done. Pour this into a pan, pour this into a bowl, freeze it, fry it, and keep it, and this will stay. Anytime you want to use it, you just take out a spoonful and you're good to go. I hope this kitchen hacks helped you. I'm trying to record much more because I have a few more tricks up my sleeve. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please hit the subscribe button. Try to keep your kitchen clean and your food healthy. Mwah.